In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to ghost post on Threads using the new ghost feature. First, you'll need to update your Threads app. For that, launch your App Store. Now, search for the app Threads. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now, at the bottom, you're going to find the different option. Click on this plus option. Now, go ahead and give it a topic. Now, you can capture image. You can upload it from gallery or select GIF. I'm going to select the image from my gallery. Once you select it, now at the bottom, you're going to find the ghost icon. You'll need to toggle on for it. When turned on, you'll see a message explaining that ghost posts are automatically archived after 24 hours. Replies are sent to messages and only you can see who liked or replied to the post. After that, tap post to publish it. And that's it. This way you can easily ghost post on Threads. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.